and welcome to Stuffed Balloons and Gifts. Today we are making what I like to call my Boppin bunny. So let's get started. This is our little bunny that we're making today. I believe it is 31 inches, not as big as the other bunnies. I got this one from Bargain Balloons. Yes, Bargain Balloons. And they come in white and they also come in pink. So if you're looking for something a little bit smaller to transport, that is the balloon. Once again, we are just going to stretch our balloon. I always start at the beginning. I could have these already inflated like a lot of people do, but I just like to start because we have a lot of people who have joined stuffed balloons. And so I want everybody to be able to, you know, have an understanding that I struggled with when I first started. So, and we just kind of roll their neck after we stretch them 2 to 3 times. And like I said, if you don't have an expander, you can also stretch on your hand and inflate it with your balloon, your electric or air handheld balloon pump, and then put it on. It'll help stretch it out just a little bit more. For those of you who don't know, yes, I have the Keepsake stuffer. I ordered it off of the Keepsake website. And I purchased this grass Walmart, I think 58 cents. And we are just, now this isn't really, I haven't printed it yet. I'm a little bit behind on time. But what I do with all my Easter balloon baskets, I put a letter in there from the Easter bunny. So we just roll it up and we just sit it in there like that. Because of course all children like the Easter bunny. And then just gonna stuff them with a few little balloons, different colors. And I just kind of push those in like that. And then what I decided to do was I have sidewalk chalk that I'll add in there. Some little goldfish crackers. Chocolate Easter bunny, of course. M&M's, Peeps. You know, all your little traditional Easter candies. I have little ring pops. And you could also, like I always say, glue dot all these together. But of course you know me, so for time's sake, I don't do that. Then I have the Tootsie Roll bank that we just add in there like this. And then I found the cutest little eggs, Dollar Tree. I believe that's where I got these at. And they're just little bunny eggs. So I was like, you know what? I'll just add a few of those in there randomly. And then I just place Easter eggs, candy filled. Quick, simple, easy Easter balloon idea. Then you just drop your business card in there and you are ready to go. And I use clips. I believe I purchased these at Keepsake also. Then I just use a 260 that I have cut in half. And I just tie it on there so that we can attach the neck, which is going to hold up our bunny head. Now this is just a quad, and yes, these are 5-inch balloons that I use. So with this, I just take the tail of your balloon. Well, I don't want that one. And you take a piece of the 260 that you've cut in half, and you attach it, and you just roll that up in there. I mean, you just roll it. And once you have it nice and tight, you just tie it in a knot. And then with the arms, I've already took those and tied those off, but I just take them and I expand them and tie them on, and then I just tie them together. Well, I try to tie those together. And then I just cut off any excess. And you just clip those in just like that. Now you could leave the arms like this, or you could fold them and make them some cute little bunny hands, but because I made those so short, I'm not going to do that this time around. I'm just going to kind of fold them over like this. And so now I have a Cricut machine, but if you have a Silhouette or anything, you can print the names, letters, or whatever. But I found these, and the reason I wanted to use these because I know a lot of new beginners don't have a printing machine or anything. So I found these cute little letters and stickers at Walmart that I thought were just absolutely gorgeous. So we are going to use those, and we're just going to say the name is Ada. I know that's a crazy name, but those are just the letters I'm looking at. So we're just going to call them Ada. And they're all different little prints and colors. And we're just going to stick those on. deciding on a name. Okay, here we go. I don't know where this name came from. Tayden. It sounds good enough to use. So we'll just use that name. And this is actually Balloon Shine. I believe I really don't know which company I ordered it from. It was either Balloon Fest or Gorgon Balloons or something like that where I ordered this. And so now we are going to put him on a base. And you just put glue dots on here and just sit him down on the base like that. But because I'm about to do some things, I'm not putting the glue dots on there yet. So now, this here is just one of those little flower stringy bob tissue things you can get at the Dollar Tree. I think there's 2 in the pack and they just kind of hang when you hang them. But today we are actually going to use this and we are going to make bunny tail. So I just take a couple of glue dots here and put on there. And we just stick them on. So now it has a bunny tail. And then I take these two and I've taken the tips off a little bit. And what we're going to do is give him some cute little bunny feet. And of course I just attach those with glue dots also. And I purchased these cute little shoes, or bunny feet. Sorry, I'm talking about shoes. I got these at the Dollar Tree. But they also have them at Hobby Lobby if you don't have a Dollar Tree or you don't have them at yours. And I just attached these on there with glue dots, of course. And there you have it, your little Boppin Easter bunny.